To share your screen in NYNJA, first initiate a voice or video call. Next, within the conversation, press the Share Screen icon. Now you can choose the screen you wish to share. If you're using NYNJA's installed desktop app, you can choose to share your entire screen or select an application window. On Windows-based web browsers, you'll also have the option to share a browser tab. Firefox users, please note, you'll be prompted to select the window or screen you wish to share from Firefox's drop-down menu. When you're ready, click the Share button to begin sharing your screen. It's that easy. NYNJA, more than conference calls, conference call management.